In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change and adjust presentation fonts in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Whether you want your slides to look more professional or just need to keep a consistent style throughout, learning how to modify fonts is super useful. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's opened, locate your presentation file. Click on File at the top left corner, then select Open and choose the file you want to work with. Now, go to the slide or text box where you'd like to change the font. Click directly on the text box so the text is highlighted. You should see a box outline around your text. That means it's ready to edit. Next, look at the Home tab on the top ribbon. This is where you'll find all your basic text tools. In the Font section, you'll see options to change the font type, size, and style. You can pick from PowerPoint's built-in fonts or any custom fonts you've installed. Take a moment to try out a few different ones. Choose something that's easy to read and fits your presentation style. After that, adjust the font size to make sure it's visible from a distance, but not too large. You can also apply bold, italics, or underline to highlight specific words or phrases. Finally, review your slide to make sure everything looks clean and consistent. A well-chosen and properly sized font can make a huge difference in how professional your presentation feels. And that's it. You've just learned how to change and adjust fonts in PowerPoint 2016. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorial videos.